What it do, YouTube? It's your boy, Connor, back with Muscle Addiction, man. If you're new to the channel, you don't know it's a vibe, make sure you stop this video right now. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. Hey, it's another day. Y'all see I'm in the truck. It ain't running yet. I'm going to let y'all know that right now. It's not running yet. We just sitting off up in here. But while I'm waiting on my radio to get in. If y'all haven't seen that video, y'all go watch my last video because the truck is down for a little minute. But let me turn y'all around real quick so y'all can see me. But I told y'all I'm gonna get some little stuff to do to the truck. So I got a little lighting upgrade I'm finna do in the truck. As y'all can see right here, we got the stock yellow ugly lights up in here. So I'm finna try to get up out of there. Little package right here. So I already got some. Excuse these wires. I'ma address that here soon. But I already got these put in. I've been had these for over probably 5 years. They some RGBWs. I had this right here. So you can go in and change the color. I don't know why it's on the flash, but I haven't changed this battery in forever. I don't think I ever changed it, but it still work. But you can change the colors on it or whatever. I'm finna do this little review / install on these right here. These CHUSYYRAY. CHUSYYRAY. Yeah, these some eBay joints right here, but finna do a little review on them. Some LEDs. So yeah, we got a couple of them. So let me show y'all what these lights look like before. Y'all good before. I am so surprised. I about to say, well, let me go fix that real fast. I promise you, y'all, I can't make this stuff up. I can't lie. I mean, I don't know what's been going on every time I've been cutting on this camera, bro. Yeah, bro. I caught myself trying to fix this for y'all while I'm doing this, and there it is. Okay, so y'all see that wire done broke from there. And I think that's the main reason why I've been having these issues with these lights. But anyway, I'm finna get this fixed if I can. And if not, I'm just gonna go ahead and put these lights in here so I can show y'all. But I really want to get this fixed. So y'all hold on. Tap back in with y'all here in a second. Y'all, I'm back. I just came out here to shoot this video. And why is all this stuff happening, y'all? But I got them. I got it fixed. So everything's back up now. So let me see. Okay, where was I at? I came in. Okay, yeah, I was just showing y'all that. So that's what it look like from the front right now. They're pretty bright. Let me see. Turn these brights on for y'all. Those are the brights. So I'm finna go ahead and get these put in. Well, I'm gonna unbox them first. So y'all, what's the contents in the box or whatever. But like I said, that's the name of them, whatever. But it come in these little box, whatever, pre-packaged with little styrofoam in there, whatever. Y'all, forgive me if I'm ashy too. It's cold outside. I don't let the temperature get the best of me, but I think these are for the little markers on the side right here. Oh snap! I think these are for right here. But as y'all can see, I already got some in there. It's not the right color, but I got one on this side, then an orange one on this side. That's the color it's supposed to be right there. But I think these are probably white, if I was to guess. So I don't think it matters which one is which, but so yeah, I don't know why it comes with so many of them, but I'm not complaining. But yeah, I'm finna get this hood popped, and I'm finna figure out which one, because when they come in the box, I was doing a little research on them. I had labeled positive and negative. That's cool. But one of them has a green O-ring around it, and the other ones don't. They got a black one. So I think one of them's for the high beam, one of them's for low beams. But I'm finna let y'all know here in just a second. All right, I'm back. I'm just finna go with the green for the high beam and the black for the low beam. But the last that I remember seeing, because I was looking, I cannot find where I seen that at. But the last that I seen, it said that it didn't matter which one. So because what you call it? Because they don't even, they're not checked off or nothing like that. So, and they don't have like nothing differentiating the what you call it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get these put in, whatever. So this hood pop. Hope y'all doing good today, YouTube, man. Hope everything going good for y'all. Since it's just these two I'm replacing, which, you know what I'm saying, y'all can see it ain't nothing different between these two. One of them got a little cap on the end, but since these two are exactly the same, it's not gonna matter. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these put in. See, I told y'all I'm ashy. Y'all ain't believe me. That's why I need to hurry up and get monetized so y'all can just keep lotion handy. I'm just playing. But yeah, let me go ahead and get these took out. YouTube, I'm back, man. But I tell y'all, yeah, this was supposed to been like a 10-minute job, y'all. Like, this wasn't even supposed to take that long. I was having issue after issue. But correction, the green ones do go in the low beams instead of the high beams on these. So and they're only gonna go in one spot. So and I had another issue too. I'm gonna let y'all know about. But I got them all put in. Yeah, I'm finna test and make sure that everything come on. Fingers crossed. See? Nothing. Okay, so I think I got it flipped around. So let me do that. Let me go flip it around. All right, I got it flipped around. Let me go see. Still don't think it's on. Yeah, it is too. Oh, snap. I think I gotta turn them. It said something about having to turn them. Yeah, they brighter. What y'all think? A little bit brighter. Let's see. Oh, but before I do that, let me show y'all the issue I had with these. Okay. When I went to try to install this low beam, it didn't want to, like the seal was like too tight. So I had to take off these 3 screws right here. I'm not sure if the factory headlights got those, but I took out those 3 screws and then I installed it through the backside. Like, I put that on first and then I screwed them on. But I got that to work. I didn't have that issue with that side, but I did with that side. But it's in there, and I'm finna clock this, which is basically on most of these you can just turn them and turn the little, dang it, turn the top part of this, and it'll change like how it like shines or whatever. So I'm finna turn this a couple degrees. So turned it a little bit. As y'all can see, those screws in a different spot. So, finna see how it shine. Uh-oh. That's not good. Uh-oh. Make sure my truck ain't... I know I shouldn't start it up, but... Oh. Alright, got everything hooked up. This doggone car kept on trying to connect to Bluetooth, but yeah, y'all see it. Got everything hooked up. Hopefully this thing jump it off. You know, it's this big blocker. Started right up. I ain't gonna let it run for too long, since y'all know my radiator leaking or whatever. But I'm gonna run it long enough so the battery will charge up. The cold start. Cold start, real cold. But let me turn these lights on. Turn these lights on. Ooh, that's a way better look. I think that helped a lot too, having them turn that way. They bright. They super bright. Yeah, got these in. I think I'm gonna go ahead. Let me show y'all the bright side too. Show y'all the brights. Make sure they working right. Oh yeah. Ooh, I think. Oh my lord. God dang. The big difference. A big old difference. It hurt my eyes a little bit, really. So yeah, as y'all can see, that's a pretty big difference on that side right there and the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these popped in right here and let y'all know what it look like after. But yeah, that's the only little thing y'all gotta look out for on that. So I'm gonna tap back in after I get to the other side. I'm gonna let y'all know if I had that same issue over there. Maybe it's just the LED, I don't know. But I'm gonna let y'all know. Y'all, I just had to chime back in, cause mind you, this radiator, it's been still leaking off and on throughout ever since, but I just decided to cut my fans on or whatever, and y'all, it's not making that noise or nothing. What is really going on? Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna change that out too. I'm gonna put an LED in there too. So yeah, I'm gonna tap in with. I'm gonna change that out too, y'all. All right, YouTube. I got everything put back in. Truck's starting to leak again, so I'm finna go ahead and get ready and wrap it up. But I got everything in. Of course, this side of my deals would stop working, so this side gonna look a little bit brighter than this side, because I still got stuff falling. It's just time to move around. But yeah, my little bar thing ain't working, so I gotta fix that on here. So, but these, this is what it'll look like if I get these put on. A little bit of difference. I don't know which one's better though, but I think that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. I say these lights are acting stupid for some reason. They're not wanting to work, but that's the main reason why I was gonna make the review about them, because they just finicky. I redid the wiring on them and they still not working. But get some LEDs for this next. I wish it was the same type of bulb, but they're a little bit different. Show you how the bike's though. Yeah, everything working. So that's my little review on them. I like them. Like plug and play, they work fine. The CHUSYYRAY, whatever you want to call them. I think I ain't pay I didn't pay $30 for them. It came with the high and low beam. So thumbs up, man. I like them. Double thumb. But, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Look, yeah, it's time to cut it off. So, man, I'm finna wrap it up, bro. I'm gonna wrap it up. My little headlight install on here. So that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Thought I was gonna have a lot more to show y'all, which I may pop this off and put that in there. Pop this thing up right here on the side, just like that. Oh, okay, same type of thing. One of these. This size a little bit. Same issue I was having with the one up front. It's just a little bit shorter, I think. Yeah, it kind of. It's not coming on. I don't think it's getting a good connection. Oh, there you go. Okay. Well, that's in there. I'm gonna have to get that a little bit better. But hey, quick fix. Man, that changed the whole interior of the truck right there. I might well change the ones down there to match them, huh? With the remote. Well, yeah. I'm finna tighten that up a little bit. I'm finna pinch them together, but that's all I got for y'all, man. I'll tap in back with y'all later, man. Most edition. Signing out. Yes, sir.